Hi everyone, it's Madison, and this is my friend Ryan.
How about it? You're doing that.
Okay. And we are at the pet store. Look at this bird dancing. Look at him dancing. You gotta dance with him. Look at him dancing. Oh. Look at him dancing on that pole. Look at him dancing. There you go, dance. 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 Come on, dance. Yeah. I could dance with you all day. Come on, dance. Dance. Well, that's it. Look at more of them. Look how pretty you are. Can you dance too? We're going to go look at the little mice. Up there. Chinchillas. Look at the mousies. Look at the rats. Yeah, they eat a lot of different things. That's the one I want, that brown one. We'll see. Bye guys. Bye America.